Best Candle Making Kit Review. In this video, we'll share with you one of the most popular candle making sets in the market that have been used by thousands of people who have given their stamp of approval. We'll share with you some of the features of what makes this candle making kit so popular. Also in this video, you get to see a quick demo of how easy it is to use this set. The one that made our list is the Solid Complete Candle Making Kit. In this set, you have everything you need to start creating your own scented candles at home. By making your own creations and using the unique Bohemian-style tins and lids, you can start styling your home with these elegant candles. With the different fragrances that come in this bundle, you can choose your favorite aroma and your room will start to smell wonderful. This kit is perfect even for beginners because of the detailed instructions that come along with it. You can use it for yourself or even give it away as the perfect gift. To check out the full specs of the Solid Complete Candle Making Kit and check out its current price, you can go to bit.ly/candlemakingkit. Here's a quick video demo of how easy it is to start making your favorite candles with this candle making set. So there you have it, the Solid Complete Candle Making Kit. Considering its ease of use, how comprehensive this set is, and the different kind of scents that come along with it, we feel that this candle making set is the most value for money. Again, to check out the full specs of the Solid Complete Candle Making Kit and check out its current price, you can go to bit.ly/candlemakingkit. Alright, thank you for watching.